This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the line of sight problem. Walk the path between router and device while watching signal dBm on an analyzer. Once done, mark hard obstructions like concrete, metal, or thick glass and note distances. Make sure to test both too. 4 GHz and 5 GHz bands because one penetrates obstacles better. Then check channel congestion to know whether interference is compounding the loss issue. These initial measurements tell you exactly where to prioritize changes and what hardware or placement steps will matter most. Now you act on the measurements. Move and elevate the router to a central, higher position so its main lobe clears low obstacles. Once repositioned, swap to a better antenna or add a directional panel toward the client for improved gain. If distance or multiple walls remain a problem, deploy a mesh node or a 5 GHz extender along the loss corridor. Also, make sure to relocate sources of RF noise, microwaves, and metal appliances, because reducing interference amplifies the benefit of improved placement. Finish by tuning the router. Reduce channel width if interference persists, adjust transmit power to avoid creating nulls, and enable band steering so clients pick the best frequency automatically. Once configured, run throughput and latency tests at several points along the route and compare to your initial dBm map. If performance still falls short, temporarily run a wired bridge or PoE-AP to confirm it is in loss limitation. If needed, schedule a professional site survey to identify hidden RF reflections or structural causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.